Hey there. So let's talk about a common problem that many of us face when working with code. You're trying to eliminate words based on their weight, but things aren't going as planned. You attempted to use word.weight before pushing words into an array to avoid including those with a weight lower than 3. However, it seems like the solution isn't quite hitting the mark. Fret not, we'll delve into how to tackle this issue effectively. Now, let's focus on the solution at hand. The code snippet provided offers a path to resolve the issue. By first processing the text and then utilizing a reducer function, the script aims to track word frequencies. The key lies in correctly updating the weight property of each word object and pushing it into the array. Remember, the filtering step after the reduction is crucial here. This is where those pesky words with a weight of 3 or less get the boot. Clever, right? To wrap things up, we've covered a substantial amount of ground in addressing the weight-based word elimination problem. By ensuring each word's weight is accurately accounted for and implementing a strategic filtering process, you're well on your way to a more refined solution. Hopefully, this walkthrough has shed some light on the intricacies of handling such scenarios. Remember, subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding, and may your bugs be minimal.